आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ कलरिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल सा स्टोन का फॉक्स है ये। मैं इसका वीडियो अभी तक तो बनाया है। सो या लेट्स स्टार्ट कलरिंग दिस क्यूट सा फॉक्स जो है स्लीपिंग है। सो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो स्टार्ट करने से पहले जरूरी है मैंने आईब्राउन खरीद लिया है। फर्स्ट मैं अप्लाई कर रही हूँ जेसो।
So here now, first I'm applying the gesso, like I'm showing in this video, guys. So first, I'm applying 2 coats of the gesso, like I'm showing in this video, so that it looks, it looks thick and more beautiful, and the background will be more realistic to look. Realistic in the sense. The background will be nice and clear to draw on it. Okay, so after after giving the 2 coats of the gesso, it will looks like this. And now I have took the Nataraj pencil and I'm going to outline the fox, which I have the vector image or any image which I have in the phone. I have downloaded it, and by seeing the photo I'm drawing the fox like I'm showing in this video. You can use the same fox, or you can change the fox image by looking at the internet. You can get so many different fox images on the internet, so you can get any of the fox image and just draw it on the stone or anything you want to. And just if you use the pencil, what the easy way is you can rub it. If you don't like the lines or anything goes wrong, you can use the eraser and just rub it off like I'm doing right now. Okay, now I have been sorry. So like this, I have drawn the outline of the fox. Then I will use the marker or any other gel pen or any other like that, or you can also use the paint and just draw so I have used the marker and drawn the outer line thickly with the help of this marker only. So this is how I'm drawing the fox outline. So once the outline is ready, it is ready to color, guys. So yeah, this is how I'm just drawing it. The fox is literally, I am in love with I'm in love with this craft, guys. Really I'm in love with this craft. So this is how the craft until it looks up to now it looks like this without coloring it. Now it's time to color it, guys. So I'm taking the orange color, and I'm taking the light orange, which is a flesh tint color, and I'm applying it on the ears and the nose part. First I'm applying it in the nose part like I'm showing in this video. Like as you can see, I have been applying the light flesh tint like you can see now. Then I will apply it on the ears or in the ears with the help of the thin brush I'm using. I'm also using the flesh tint at the edge of the tail, let's say. Yeah, at the edge of the tail also I'm applying the flesh tint color. Then I'm mixing the orange color with a little bit of white color, and I'm just coloring it with the orange color all over the face and the body like I'm showing in this video. Use the very thin brush, guys, so that you will have the control over the fox. Okay, never ever use the thick brush. You will lose the control and So be careful and use the and by using the larger brush I'm covering all the other body parts of the fox. So I'm coloring other body parts. As you can see, I'm also touching the outlines with the help of the while coloring the fox I'm also touching the outlines. So the outlines of the fox became so dull, as you can see. So by using the gel pen, I'm just reapplying the outline, guys, as you can see. So that's how the glow of the fox is out, as you can see. So I have drawn the outline with the help of the gel pen again. So this is how my cute little fox has been turned out, guys. So yeah, let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Okay, don't forget, guys.
So that's all for today, guys. So the stone fox is ready, and this is how it looks like. So beautiful and so cute, right? So that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy. Bye.